Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna share a video of my recipe today. I actually made the Indian sweet called KESARI in Vilnius in Europe. Yes, and it's made with the ingredients which are available in here, and it is the best idea or tip for Indian students and other students to try it because it's really healthy and really yummy and super easy to make. So stay tuned and watch the full video. I love you. So first we take a pan and add some butter. I know it's usually made with ghee, but since ghee is very rarely available in Vilnius, we add butter. And then we chop some nuts. Here I've chopped some badam and also some cashews, and as you can see there is cardamom. So I'm just gonna put in all these chopped nuts along with cardamom in the hot butter. Yes, and you just like toast it until it is a bit goldenish brown, I would say. Yes, a bit goldenish brown. So here we go. We're just roasting these nuts and making it a little bit golden brown. So once you are done with that, you can see that I have monokrupus. Krupus is basically the rava which we get in India. So you can get this monokrupus in almost every department store, every supermarket in Vilnius. So I'm just adding some of that rava and again roasting it real nice, so we get to feel each and every particle of that rava. So I'm just gonna mix that real good along with the nuts. I am really excited to have it. Yes, so just keep sauteing them, like just keep roasting them for a couple of minutes. I would say I did roast them for around 3 to 4 minutes. And then I will be adding some sugar. So I got this from Rimi supermarket in Vilnius. So I am adding some sugar to it. Like you can add sugar based on your taste preferences. So I almost put 1.5 cup of rava in it, and I am gonna add around 10 spoons of sugar. And next comes saffron. You can actually get it in the supermarket called Iki. Well, I only found it there. Maybe there are saffrons available in other supermarkets as well, but I'm not aware of it. So I am adding some saffron because I really love the taste of saffron in it. And as you can see, I put some water to the roasted rava. So we put water and then saffron, and now we just saute it until it is really good and thick. And as you can see, the rava, the krupus, is actually nicely baked. So now the KESARI is done. It's really yummy and it's super healthy, and surprisingly the total budget of this particular KESARI is less than 5 euros. Can you believe it? It didn't cost me more than 5 euros. So enjoy, try it yourself, and bon appetit.